How to register as a foreign vendor on punadon.com. Follow these steps to successfully register your company as a foreign vendor on punadon.com. First of all, visit the official website, vendor.punadon.com. Click the Register button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Next, in the registration form, choose Vendor Type and select Foreign Company. Enter your company or PIC's active email address. Input your tax ID or relevant foreign equivalent. Create and confirm your password. Check the box that says, I have read and agree to follow terms of use system, which is on punadon.com, to agree with the system terms and conditions. Click the Register button to complete the registration process. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email containing a validation link. Click the link to activate your account. Once activated, log in using the registered email and password. Congratulations! You are now registered as a vendor on punadon.com. Next, complete your vendor profile to become an active vendor within the system. Foreign vendor profile completion. Before starting the registration and document upload process on punadon.com, please ensure all supporting documents are prepared in PDF format, maximum size as specified on the upload page. The documents below are generally required to complete your vendor profile and speed up the verification process. Company identity, certificate of incorporation or business registration license, tax identification number foreign equivalent, company domicile or address certificate, if applicable, articles of association or deed of establishment, legal and certification, valid business license or equivalent government-issued authorization, industry or professional certificates, optional but recommended, trade permit or export/import license, if relevant to your business. Financial documents, recent financial statements, audited or unaudited, bank reference letter or latest bank statement, deviation letter, if company age less than 1 year, taxation, valid tax ID document, annual tax declaration, if available, proof of tax registration or taxable business certificate, shareholder and board information, passport or ID card of shareholders and directors, power of attorney, if registration is done by a representative, employees and competence, list of key personnel, CV or profile, education certificates, training certificates, or work experience letters, optional, valid passport for foreign personnel, experience and references, copies of project contracts or purchase orders, PO, completion certificates or reference letters from previous clients. After successfully logging into your account, switch the application language to English to ensure the interface suits foreign vendors. You will then be directed to the document upload page, where you must complete 10 sections, tabs, sequentially. 1. Main Data tab. In this tab, enter your company's primary information, including company name, website or social media, optional, company address, select office type. Next, input address, country, province, city, district, postal code, Google Maps link, phone office or mobile, and fax, then click Done. Contact person, ensure this person is active and reachable. Input full name, email, phone office, and phone mobile, then click Done. Select the relevant buyer according to your business field. For foreign vendors, you must select PT Pelayaran Nasional Indonesia, PELNI. Click Save and continue to move forward. 2. Legal tab. In this section, upload your company's license documents such as the business license or equivalent. Fill in the start date and expiry date. If the document has no expiry, check without expired date. Next, upload the corresponding certificate document, optional. Once completed, click Save and continue. 3. Classification tab. Click Add to input your commodity classification. Choose the classification that best fits your company's scope of work. Fields such as item name, brand, source, and business sector are optional, but should be filled if applicable. Click Done, then Save and continue. 4. Finance tab. In this tab, select your preferred currency type, then fill in the initial capital and paid-up capital. Proceed to the bank submenu. Enter your bank name, branch, and country. Attach a bank statement or bank reference letter. If your company is less than 1 year old, upload a deviation letter. Next, go to the Financial Report submenu. Input your financial statements based on available years. Include data such as cash, bank cash, current assets, and others as required. Indicate whether the report is audited or unaudited, optional. Afterward, click Done, then Save and Continue. 5. Tax tab. Your tax ID will be filled automatically. Ensure the taxpayer name and address are correct. Attach a valid tax ID document or equivalent. You may optionally upload taxable business certificates or annual tax declarations. Click Save and Continue. 6. Shareholder tab. Input your shareholder type, individual or non-individual. Enter the shareholder name, nationality, and address. Specify the ownership amount, in shares or percentage. Attach supporting documents such as passport, for foreign shareholders, and tax ID. Click Done, then Save and Continue. 7. Board tab. Input information for your directors and commissioners, title, Mr./Mrs. Full name. Nationality. Attach optional documents such as passport. To add more personnel, repeat the same process. Click Done, then Save and Continue. 8. Employees tab. Enter your employee or personnel data. Name, gender, nationality, date and place of birth, address, country, province. Employment status, permanent or contract. Education and graduation year, optional. Attach supporting files such as diploma, training certificates, or work experience letters, optional. You may also attach a passport if applicable. Click Done, then Save and Continue. 9. Project Experience tab. Add your previous project experiences. Project name, scope of work, project location, client name, address, and contact number. Contract type, e.g., addendum or purchase order, contract number and value, commodity classification, start date, and end date, currency type and contract value. Attach related contract or purchase order documents. Click Done, then Save and Continue. 10. Notes tab. Enter any additional information or remarks in this section. Click Save and Submit when finished. Your registration will be automatically sent to the verification support team. The verification process follows an SLA of maximum 4 working hours, during which our team will review the completeness and eligibility of your documents. If all documents are complete and valid, your vendor status will change to active. If any document is incomplete or invalid, your registration will be returned with a fixed registration status, along with notes that must be corrected and re-uploaded before re-verification. Help Desk and Registration Support. If you encounter any issues during registration, Pangnadan.com provides several support channels to assist you. 1. Chatbot Adewaina, recommended. Our intelligent chatbot Adewaina is directly connected to live support agents who are always on standby. It is the fastest and most responsive support channel. You can access Adewaina directly through the chat feature available both on the Pangnadan.com or vendor.pangnadan.com site. The widget is always visible and labeled Adewaina is online. Simply click it to start chatting instantly. 2. Submit a support ticket. Vendors can submit detailed requests or issue reports via the Submit Ticket page on helpdesk.pangnadan.com. Each request will be reviewed and followed up promptly by our support team. 3. Email support. For formal or document-related inquiries, contact our support team at cs@pangnadan.com. 4. WhatsApp chat, text only. You may also reach our support team via WhatsApp chat only at +62 882 9890 6093. Please note, phone calls are not supported, and responses are prioritized through Adewaina chatbot for faster assistance.